Okay, this is a demonstration of remote control of the CTMP 2020. Like if I had inexperienced people in the field and I wanted to control it from my office, I could do that. What I'll do is I have a multi-tap CT hooked up, as you might be able to see. I'm using a common ordinary gamepad connected to the PC through the web page to control the test set. I hope you can see both of those there. So I'm going to scroll down. You see the ratio mode on the front of the test set is green. It's also green on the screen right here. So I'm going to pull the trigger on that mode. And I'm going to select the hotkeys, or the two keys up here, right? I'm going to select hotkey 2. If I'm using the hotkey, it automatically arms FTP for an upload. So I'm going to press the hotkey. See it, hot 2 flashed green, and it's gone to CT test full auto, and it is going to perform the test. It's now testing the X1 tap. So all I need personnel to do on the site is hook it up to the CT. I don't need them to operate the test set with this feature. And mostly it's intended for training, or if you wanted to have the data immediately available in the office, maximum data integrity, you would have that going for you with this. Now on the 1600-5 tap. Notice that all readings are well within 0.1% on any standard you test. And we're getting into the saturation test. Saturating the X1 tap. I've not touched the test set. I have just initiated the test, navigated the menu, and initiated the test remotely, observing the web interface to the test set, which can be done from anywhere in the world. And it also plots the graph on the web page, giving you an idea of what's going on there. Once again, it is plotting the saturation graph on the web page as it works. It's also plotted on the front of the test set, as you can see. Now tested the X4 tap. The test is complete. He's going to post the results to the server. And you can see over here in the news feed that the results have posted. I can now delete them if I don't like them, or I can save them to the database and generate a test report. In this case, this was just for a test, so I will delete them. Thank you for watching.